Hello, Professor Rusko. I am Prudvi of Team 5 of CS 690, and our topic is cryptocurrencies technology. And this is a tool demo video. And coming to tool, our tool is Ganache. And firstly, coming, what is Ganache? Ganache is an Ethereum blockchain tool for cryptocurrency, and it is open source tool. We can download it for free. And Ganache is a software tool used by the developers to create a local blockchain network for deployment and testing purposes. There are many features of Ganache. Some of them are Ganache is used for creating uh, accounts, and it is used to make contracts, but it is mainly used for testing and debugging the smart contracts. First, we need to create a workspace for Ganache. By we can create it by we create the workspace by clicking on a quick start, and for more advanced features we can use new workspace for Ethereum, which has Ethereum or Filecoin. After creating the workspace in Ganache, we can link the blockchain project to Ganache. After linking the blockchain project to Ganache, we can simulate, debug various blockchain networks. And Ganache is a very popular tool known for evaluating, creating, and deployment of smart contracts. Let's start by creating a workspace. And this is the view of Ganache tool, and it has account and account address, balance of each transaction, and it has a private key, and this key is used on public blockchain only, and it is only for development purposes. And it shows a balance which is not, we don't really have it, but it is for demo purposes only. And it has gas price, gas limit, hard fork, network ID, RPC server, in which network ID and RPC server are very important because it is used to connect to other blockchain networks. It has, we can see various blocks over here, and we can see the transactions we made over here in, and we can see contracts, and we can link this uh, truffle project to Ganache. Coming to the truffle project, truffle is an popular Ethereum app which is used for creating and compiling and deployment of smart contracts. Truffle and Ganache are not same, but they are related. Ganache is only used for creating local blockchain network, but Truffle is used for various blockchain networks, and it has events and information about the various logs. And here we can search for various transaction hashes. Coming to the transaction hash, what is transaction hash means? It is a unique identifying number used for each transaction, and we can look it up whenever we want. And here we can create various workspace, and we can add project over here if you want, and we can cancel if you don't want. We can save or switch project. Now I'm going to show how to deploy a smart contract. Firstly, we need to go to Google and search for remix.ethereum ethereum.org. Remix is an Ethereum IDE. In this, I'm going to show how to deploy a context. First of all, we need to use the test folder, and this is the used for test purposes only. Now we need to write a code for the a contract, and this is the code we are using for making a simple contract. I'm going to paste it over here, and here the contract receive money contract is the name of the contract, and we have a function called receive money, and which is public and payable. We use this is as public because this function is need to communicate with the every external network, so we used it as public. And it is important that you need to mention the license, otherwise after compilation you can see an warning here that you need to mention the license number too. So it is important that you need to mention license number. And I used SPDX license identifier GRL 3.0, and this is the code for the making a contract, and we need to compile it. Here the green tick shows that there are no errors. Now let's go and deploy the contract. Here, after deploying, here it shows that the environment we can look it up at various environments like Remix, VM, Dev, and L2, and we can take whatever environment we have. And here we have like 20 account numbers, and it has each account has 10 ether, which it's not the real ether coins, but it is used for demo only. We can take whatever account we need, and I am taking the first account. Gas limit is generally a charge for each transaction, and we need to put click it ether here over here. First I'm going to uh, deploy the Ethereum. Here I deployed a contract name receive money contract using this code. Now we are going to transfer the Ethereum. Let's suppose we transport the Ethereum value of 2. Now I'm going to deploy using smart contract. Here it shows error over here. How to, and we need to press 2. We are going to send 2 Ethereum coins, and it shows and receive money. Now the 2 Ethereum coins are sent to this contact, and we can look it up over here. And here it's a status that employ 2 Ethereum coins are deployed, and this is the transaction has. As I told you, each transaction has a unique identified number used for the transaction, and it has a gas value. It is the name of the contract from it is the name of the account from which the Ethereum coins are deployed. It is the name of the contract. We deployed Ethereum to this contract, and as I told you, it has a gas value, transaction cost, execution cost, and the main earns are value. And the value of this transaction is this some 2 trillion V. Now the main purpose is show it in a Ganache app. I'm going to deploy it in the Ganache app. Let's go to Ganache accounts. Here it has a RPC server which is used to link with the Remix. Now I'm going to link it with the Remix. Now I'm going to change the environment to Dev Ganache provider, and it has a endpoint 8545. Now we need to link this endpoint to RPC servers number 7545, and we need to change this as 7545. Then click OK. It has changed. Now we are going to make a contract. Well, first we need to deploy. Here it's deployed successfully, and we need to transfer 2 Ethereums using this contract. Value 2, and click on the function for the contract, and it's done. We send the money to the contract from this account. To verify that, we need to go to Ganache, and we click on transactions, and here we can see that one contract is contacted when we deployed, and the transaction contract is called when we call the function, and it has a unique transaction hash number. It is used for identifying the transaction, and from address which is same as this our account address, 7788018. You can verify the account 800 from address, and to this one you can verify it over here. And this is the end of our tool demo video. Thank you.